Hello, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to talk about how cortisol or stress hormones affect our eating habits. Have you ever thought when you are too much stressed, you end up snacking too much junk food? And the answer is yes. Today I am going to tell you about how the basic science works behind it. First of all, we should understand what cortisol or stress hormone is. When our body gets into any dangerous situation, it releases the cortisol to tackle with the situation where we have to either fight or fly. Under the stress, our brain releases the hormone through the hypothalamus pituitary adrenal pathway. This pathway causes adrenal glands to release the cortisol. Now, when cortisol is released, it tells our body that we need quick, high carbs and high sugar food. When we feed our body with these type of food, it releases a dopamine hormone. This dopamine hormone makes our body happy and feel good. Now, the main problem is over a period of time when we take too much stress, secretion of stress hormone also increases and we end up snacking too much of food which is rich in high carbs and high sugar, which dampens the stress response. Now, the visceral fat or the toxic fat gets stored near our abdomen, which may cause in long term severe health issues like hypertension and heart attack. The damaging effects of stress may occur not from being exposed to it, but in proportion to how we respond to it. Here are the 3 tips which are simple but effective through which you can relieve the stress without overeating. Now the first step is meditation. And I want to make it clear that it is not related to any religion or Hinduism. Now let's see how to perform it. Sit in a cross-legged posture and place your hands on your thighs, facing upward. Now let's focus on your breath and try not to focus on any thoughts coming in your mind. Try to practice it for daily 10 to 20 minutes and you will see a drastic effect on your health. And I will make a separate video on meditation and it is an interesting topic. Now the second tip is exercise. Try to include some physical exercise in your daily routine. Exercise delivers oxygen and nutrients to your tissues and helps your cardiovascular system work more efficiently. When your heart and lung health improve, you have more energy to tackle with daily stress. Physical activity can stimulate many brain chemicals, which can boost your confidence and improve self-esteem. Now the third tip is social support. Social support network is made up of friends, families, and peers. Social support system can be developed when you are not under stress. Many studies have shown the benefits of social support network, like improving your ability to tackle with daily stress, enhancing your self-esteem, lowering the cardiovascular risk like lowering blood pressure and many others.